Hi kittens, it's me, Kitty J. Whew, it's the hair. Whew, it's been 2 months. I know, it's the reason why, because everything that's happening right now and all that. But I just wanted, I'm here to inform you guys that I'm making a YouTube video tomorrow. Yes, I am. You're probably wondering, like, is she really? Is she really? Okay. Well, I am. Don't worry, I am. Yeah. So, I will be doing like some tips on, upcoming, freshmen and sophomores and juniors because I'm going to be a senior in high school. Yay me. But yeah, so tomorrow's video I will be doing for tips for upcoming freshmen, and the next video after that I'll be doing tips for upcoming sophomores, and then the same thing for juniors. And yeah, all right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Always remember, stay classy and always have your claws out. Bye kittens. Mwah.